Hey, it's Arjun, CEO of doola.com, a business in a box. Doola is a venture-backed startup based here in New York City that has successfully raised over $13 million in venture capital from some of the world's best investors, including Y Combinator, Nexus Venture Partners, HubSpot Ventures, and notable angel investors like Cody Sanchez, Graham Stephan, Sahil Bloom, and more. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to register for sales tax in any state so you can stay compliant and avoid penalties. And the way I'm going to cover this is in a few steps. I'll first run through when you need to register for sales tax. Then I'll run through how to actually apply for a sales tax permit. And then I'll run through how Doola can help make this process easy for you. Let's get started. Once you determine where you need to collect sales tax, the next step is registering for the sales tax permit in those states. Without it, you're legally not allowed to collect sales tax from customers, so it's really important to do this. So, when do you need to register? If you have physical nexus, which again is an office, inventory, or employees in a state, or if you exceed economic nexus thresholds, for example, $100,000 in sales or 200 transactions in a state. Now, let's talk about how to register. The process varies state by state, but it generally looks like this. First, find the state's tax authority website. Most states will actually allow you to apply online and fill out the application. Number two, fill out the sales tax permit application. You're going to need your basic business information like your EIN, business structure, and expected sales volume. Number three, pay any required fees. Some states charge a small registration fee. Number four, receive your permit and tax ID. Once approved, you'll get a state-issued sales tax permit that allows you to legally collect tax from customers. A few things to keep in mind. Some states will process applications quickly, while others unfortunately take weeks. You must stay compliant by filing returns on time. Even if you don't owe any tax, you still need to file on an ongoing basis, depending on the state. Now, the thing is, registering in multiple states can get complicated, so Doola can actually help you in handling this process. If you don't want to waste time navigating state tax websites or risk getting something wrong, Doola can register for you and make sure everything is set up properly. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're unsure about what you have to do for sales tax, what you have to do for reseller certificates, anything sales tax, you can schedule a free consultation or book a free demo with Doola. We're here to help you navigate compliance so you can focus on what you do best while Doola handles the rest. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.